Hi, we continue with our smart shirt. So today we are going to cut today kind of previous so in this episode or in this lesson we are going to cut our smart shirt. Then we are going to cut it on the by fabric. We are going to cut the collar and the sleeve. So let's get to it. Fast forward.
I'm not sure. Want to cut some? You want to come and cut some?
So for us to be on the safe side, we'll first start by cutting the back, then we cut the front because we are using this non-rapid. So we have, we'll put that aside. Okay, so now we're going to go to the sleeves and how to draft the sleeve. So I've decided to, you can do it on a single paper, but I've just decided to put them on fold, like this, to put it on fold, so that when we draft it or when we cut it, we know what we are working with. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, so we are going to go down by 4.5. If you've got big hands like me, you can go 5 inches in. So we can use everything works even for smaller, but for you to be on the safer side, we've got bigger hands, just go 5 inches down like that. Okay, then from there we're going to go to our elbow point, which was 13. Okay, our elbow point, which is 13. Okay, 13. Then our wrist, which is 23. Okay, so if you are doing a short sleeved shirt, there's a measurement that we call forearm. Okay, before the elbow is called forearm. Then and 3/4 sleeve length. So it will just depend. So I'll just do a longer sleeve so that if you want to end where you can end, you know what to do, how to end. Okay, so from there I'm going to come down to the sleeve length line, which is 23. So we're working with 23, 13, and 5. So I'm just going to extend to the other side so that we know that we're working with the straight lines, the 5, 13, and 23. Then I'll just draw straight lines. Okay, so from there, what we're going to do is finding the bicep circumference, which we found was 14. Our bicep circumference is 14, so 14 divided by 2. Remember our measurement for the sleeve length is bicep point, armhole, forearm, we have the elbow point, forearm, 3/4, wrist and everything. So the hands, as I mentioned, you divide by 2, never by 4. So we divide by 2, our 14 we have 7 plus sewing allowance 1 inch we have 8. So this is where our armhole end. Then from there our knee, our elbow is 12.5. 12.5 divided by 2 we have about 6.25. Okay. Then we're going to go to our wrist. Our wrist is 7, and our wrist point or sleeve length is 23. So 7 divided by 2 we have 3.5. 3.5 plus 1 inch we have 4.5. So here we didn't add our allowance, meaning we have 7.25, which is here. Okay, so this is our measurements. These are our measurements. So coming here, what you can do is this. Okay, you are going to go in. From here, you are going to go in by 4 inches. That's the midpoint. 4 inches, like that. Then down, you connect it like this. Use a straight rule. You go in 4 inches by the biceps, then you connect it for the midpoint. So we were using 5 for the cup, the sleeve cap. So what we are going to do is we are going to measure it like this, which is 5, and find the midpoint of 5, which is 2.5. 2.5 like this. So you can either use freehand or you can use a curve ruler. If you're using a curve ruler, you make sure that this part is flat like that. Okay, so you will do that. So you're basically doing an A sign. You will do more like a slanty S. So if you're using your free hand, you go like that until you reach there. Okay? Then from there you will connect. Okay, like that. So when you see it, it's giving a sleeve vibe. So you make sure you verify once more. Did I add my allowances? This was 14 divided by 2 we had 7. We added 1 inch, which gave us 8. Then this one was 12.5. Okay, 12.5 divided by 2 we had 6.25. 6.25, so we've missed this pattern. Then here the same thing, added our allowance. So here we missed it, so from here it's supposed to come here, then there. Listen, there's not much difference. So our sleeve is this sign. What's with the eye? Okay, this is our sleeve. So we can just cut it and I'll demonstrate to you on how it looks. Our sleeve. So when you open it like this, it has to look like this. So this is how it goes. This is the cut of the sleeve. So now that we've cut all our drafts, so we have this. This I just want you to
All right.
So we are going to start cutting on our fabric. So we'll start with the main shirt. So I've just folded it on 4 or 4 so that we know what I'm working with. So I'm going to just go, what I'm wearing, the smart shirt, it's going to reach somewhere here, okay? Somewhere just below the hip, but it's a smart shirt, don't get confused. So from there, I'm just going to get the full length so that I know what I'm working with. Is okay, and the hip is about 11. Okay, this is fine. So that we clear up the table. Make sure that when you are cutting, there are no a lot of fabric, because you end up cutting the fabric that you don't intend to cut. From our measurements, lowest Okay, so we can just cut. So we'll just remove the back back. Then for the front, we'll put it back and slant it 1 inch like this. Okay. Then from there, we are going to measure 3 inches, 3.5 in. 3.5, sorry, 3.5 in like that. Then we'll go down by 1.5 in. Remember, 1.5, then connect. Okay. So this is our neck for the back. Like that. Okay. Then we go to the back, to the front, sorry. The front. Cut the shirt, front and back. So this is the front. Okay, front is like this. So when we fold this part like that and like that, it's going to be for the button. So you just run your machine here like this and the other side like that. Same way this side. Okay, it will be like that. Okay, so this is how we are going to cut our, this is how you cut your front, and your back is just one piece like this. Okay. Okay, so the next thing is the collar. So I just want to show you how you can manipulate. So we're gonna use this for the sleeves and the collar. Okay, excited, can't wait to see how they will look. Okay, so we're going to draft our sleeves. Okay, so we use this part. Okay, so we'll just cut our sleeve. Okay, so we just trace out. Okay, so we have our sleeves in. Okay, we have our sleeves. This is our sleeve for the right and the left end. So we've cut our sleeve, we'll put them aside. Then the next thing we are cutting is our collar. So I just want people to pay attention when cutting the collar, how many pieces you are cutting. Okay. All right. So for the collar, you have to make sure that you have 2 pieces of each. So this one will be on a fold. It's on the fold. So you fold the other side. So we'll fold it like this. Okay. Fold it just like this so that you're safe. Okay, so this is our main collar like that. So we just cut. So I've just shown you how you can manipulate power design. Don't be boring. So okay, so we have twine. They're supposed to be 2 like that. So if your material is very light, you can even add stiffener. Okay, but since this is cotton fabric, so we won't add stiffener. We just sew it like that. Then we go to the bishop collar. We do the same. Okay, like that. Make sure even it has got 2 fabric. Two pieces, two pieces. Okay. This one will do the same. We'll make sure that it's straight. So you see, there are also 2 of these. Okay, like that. So I'm just going to clear everything so that we see what we have. So when sewing, you're going to first attach the back to the front, and you also attach this one, the back to the front. Then here on the buttonhole, it will kind of overlap so that you will have them accurate when you're making the buttonholes. Okay, so then the sleeves, these are the sleeves. So the sleeves will be attached like that. Just want people to have a picture. People should have a picture like that. Then where are our sleeves, people? Okay, then our sleeve. Our sleeves is going to be like this. Okay. How you fold the 3 inches, you can either start with this, then that, okay? The same way you do here, you can do it then to the other. So you can just make sure it's also a bit folded like that. Okay, try. Then you run your 2 stitches. You run 2 stitches inside and outside so that it holds like that, and you put your buttonholes in button. That's how you attach. So the remaining thing here is just going on the machine, which we are going to show in the next video.